today's video, we will see how to make fresh butter from curd. In the Bhumija Sutta, Lord Buddha has mentioned in a simile that the appropriate way of making butter is by sprinkling water on curd in a crock and twirling it with a churn stick. You can find the reference link below in the description box. Check out my how to make curd video in which I have mentioned how curd is made from full cream cow milk. Once curd sets, there is a layer of cream that comes on the surface. Remove this layer daily along with a little bit of the curd below it and store it in the freezer. After you have collected this for a few days, you can make butter out of it. I have added the collected cream to a deep container. Remove it from the freezer and let it defrost for a few hours first till it becomes soft. Then add 1 glass water to this. I am using a traditional churn stick today. Use an electric beater if you are short on time. Keep a large sheet of paper below this that you can discard later as it tends to splatter quite a bit. Now start churning the mixture by turning the churn stick between your fingers and palms. After about 4 minutes of continuous churning, you can see that the butter has slightly started to separate. Keep continuing this process. You can see how the golden yellow butter has settled on top of the buttermilk. The total churning time was hardly 5 to 7 minutes. Now you can remove this butter with a spoon and have it fresh or store it in the refrigerator and use as required. You can also use this butter to make pure ghee or clarified butter. I'll be making a video soon, so do consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on the red button in the corner. Here you can see the fresh butter and buttermilk. You can add some rock salt and cumin powder to the buttermilk and drink it. Now a quick tip to clean the container easily. First wipe it off with a tissue paper and then scrub and wash as usual.